Welcome back, geometers. This is 9, 10, and 11. And here we have kind of the completed project here. But what was this to start with? It was just and I'm sure I'm not going to be drawing it very well, but it was just this parallelogram here. Looks like a rhombus, but it really isn't, we found out. Put this figure in here. Alright, so we're supposed to bisect angles A, B, and C. Extend the 3 lines across the figure. Now, let's look at what we had. Okay, so when you bisect angle A, let's not forget how you do that. Sharp point on A, and you set your compass a certain distance and make marks on the rays of the angle here. And then you take your sharp point here, make marks out there, sharp point here, make mark out there, get your point of intersection out here, and that's where your bisector is going to go. Okay, you can see that's what happened here. Here's the marks on the rays of the angle from the sharp point A, and here are the intersecting marks right there. And then, as you can see, I drew the bisector. Our intuition tells us that it should go through. This would also be the bisector for C, but it isn't. All right, so here's the bisector that was drawn for, constructed for B. Okay, so made the marks out here and here. Okay, so sharp point on B, mark on the rays of the angle. Then go to those marks and mark, and then the other one side, mark, and then there goes your angle bisector right through there. Okay. Then angle C. You can see these marks here. And when you do a construction, don't erase your marks. I really need to see those to see how you did your construction. Leave them on there. I know it makes it look messy. It's always bothered some students in the past that it looks so messy with the arcs in there. And yeah, it does, but we're trying to see if we can construct this. Okay, so here's sharp point on C, mark. Now go to those points. You can see this is the arc that was made from here. This is the arc that was made from here. And then C goes through there. Alright, so there it is. It's constructed. Are all 3 angle bisectors concurrent? A lot of you were asking what this is. It's because you don't know very well what the word concurrent means. So you're going to have to make sure you're familiar with the word concurrent. Okay? So these 2 lines are concurrent here at this point. They both go through the same point there. Alright. Oops, that one's kind of off. Forget about that one. Alright, so there's another one that's concurrent with these other 2 lines. Alright, so do we have concurrence here? Yeah, as you can see, the red and the black, the bisectors for A and B are concurrent right there. And C and B are concurrent right here. But all 3 of them are never concurrent. They're not all 3 going through a single point. Alright, so then 11, does the angle bisector of angle B bisect angle D? Well, you can see that it does not. Here's the angle bisector, that's the red one. See, it misses D by a considerable margin there. Now, that doesn't mean that on the test it's going to be like this, so be careful with your construction. And maybe if there's one on the test like this, it'll work out, maybe it won't. It'll be like this. So you have to be ready for both of those possibilities. So just do your best to make good constructions, and you'll get it. All right. See you on the next round.